Hey guys, welcome back to UK Moto Clips. As always, we have some excellent stuff to show you today. If you want me to feature any of your content, leave a comment down below or email it to me, anything like that, and we can show it on the channel. For the rest of you, let me know in the comments what you think was your favourite clip today, and let's get into the video.
Uncomfortable is probably the right word for it. Oh.
Look how close that was. I have no idea how he did not get knocked off.
Nah, that's me off, that's me off. I'm going straight after her. Are you f***ing serious? Are you f***ing serious? Are you taking... Are you... Put the window down. Next time, please use your f***ing eyes on that roundabout. You've just nearly taken me off. Yeah, I know you didn't, but you've just nearly taken me off. That's my life. That's my life. If I'd have been knocked off, I could have broken my leg. I don't give a f***. I don't give a f***. Just nearly knocked me straight off. Yeah? Use your f***ing eyes next time. Use your f***ing eyes. Use your f***ing eyes. You see these things here? Use them next time and you won't knock me off, will you? Fucking stain.
What are you doing, bro? Oh my god.
This could have been so much worse, so I'm glad the van saw the biker.
Dumb. Open your eyes. Fucking mirrors, man. Mirror. You're on drugs. Oi. The fuck, man. You not see me? Sorry? Did you not see me? We should look more carefully next time then. Right? You're in the wrong. What are you doing, man? Sake, man. Is this a bus lane?
Oh, I hate pedestrians like this so much.
You should use a crossing. Does this look like a good place to cross? fun.
Are you f***ing real? Are you f***ing serious?
Biker has to do an emergency stop because a pedestrian chooses an absolutely stupid place to cross the road.
Hey mate, you're supposed to yield over there. Mate, it's not about space, it's slippery. I'm on 2 wheels, brother. Please. No, don't worry. Take care, yeah? No worries, you as well, man. Just be careful for the bikers, mate.
Where are you going, you
This bit only goes straight ahead, so the biker definitely was not expecting the truck to do this.
Did you check your mirror before opening the door? Use a crossing.
That's all from me today, guys. Remember, the links to everyone's channel is in the description, so why don't you head over and subscribe to them.